In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share WhatsApp channel content or posts. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you have seen any post that you wish to share on any WhatsApp channel, to share is pretty simple. Just go to the post. For instance, I want to share this post. To do this, just long press on your post and you should see we have this option to forward. By tapping on forward, from here this will redirect you to your WhatsApp account where you can choose any account to share, and by selecting the account and then tapping on send here, you will have shared this content with that channel and you can see it has been sent. That is the first method. Another method to share any WhatsApp channel content is just to long press on the post, and once you have done so, you should see we have a link option here. Just copy the link and go ahead, paste it on any page that you wish. For instance, I can copy and paste it here. So if I come here and paste it, it will be shared with this account and therefore I can send it. So that's how you can share any WhatsApp channel content or posts. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.